Have you ever finished a case and you just grab the cords and put them together and they look a mess like this? Well, this may be uncomfortable, but it's even bad for the handpiece because these cords will get knots in them and the wires will break. Hi, my name is John Weymouth and I'm the president of MEDiSURG, and I'm here to show you how you can wrap these cords so that they will last a long time. And actually the cords will be the last thing to give up in these phaco systems that we work with. So let's take a handpiece here. First of all, there's a lot of twist in this because you wrap it around your hand and it comes up and it just has these knots. First thing you want to do is to make sure that there are no knots, no twisting in the cord. So I'm holding it up, you can see everything is spinning, and it might take a couple of times to get all the twists out of the wire. So it looks much better here. So here is the technique for wrapping this cord so that it'll work, first time and every time. Take the handpiece, put it in your hand, and go about 12 inches out and pinch the wire. And I'm going to twist this wire in my hand in one direction, and there's our first loop. Come back out, twist it in the other direction. There's our second loop. Twist away, twist in front, twist away, twist in front. So there we have it. The cord is wrapped, and actually when you lay it down, it will stay. And when you're ready to pick it up, presto, there are no twists and knots in the cord. So do this with your cord every time when you finish. Just grab the handpiece, 12 inches out, twist right, twist under, twist right, twist under, and you can get pretty fast with this. And you lay it down, put it into the tray, and it's perfect. So this cord here is a little stiffer. It's got a lot of twists in it also. Let me get all those twists out of this cord. There it is, nice and dangled. Perfect. Same thing again. About 12 inches out. What if you want a smaller loop? You just come in closer and make a smaller loop. So you can do that and make it just a couple inches across. Or if you want to make it real big and just twist. Notice I did a little bounce in the air there. Twist this way and then twist. Well, see if there's a lot of twist still left in this. So there it is. And there's your big loops. To do a smaller loop, very straightforward. Twist, twist underneath, twist, twist underneath, twist. So we're just basically looping it one direction and then the other direction. And there you have it. Your cords will be happy and you'll never have a problem with the cords breaking in the future. Thank you, and if you're interested in more of our tips, subscribe below, and I'll be happy to get in touch with you and let you see all the new and fancy things we're doing in the world of eye surgical equipment. Thank you.